Hello, today I want to take a look at with you this microphone from Tonor, the Q9 USB condenser microphone. We're going to take a look inside of the box here. It's going to come with your instructions here so that you can get a good understanding of how this microphone works. Now, this is actually a bundle. So inside of the box, you're going to have a few pieces of equipment above and beyond just the microphone itself. It comes with a pop filter, and so we're going to open this up so you can take a look at this if you don't know what a pop filter is. So this is your pop filter to be used in front of your microphone so that air doesn't go through to the microphone and you start getting plosives, popping your P's and T's and all those types of things. Also inside of the box, you're going to have your windscreen, which goes over the top of the microphone, which also helps with that. Obviously, inside of this, you're going to have the physical microphone itself. You have a plus and minus button where you're going to be able to turn the mic up or the volume up or lower the volume, depending on how much you want going in. This windscreen just goes over the top, just like this, to help with that. Now, when you're using this microphone, you want to make sure that the plus and minus signs are pointed towards you. This is how you actually talk into the microphone. That's good to know. On the inside of this as well, you're going to have a shock mount that comes with this mic so that you can place this on the inside of this to also attach it to the scissor boom that it comes with. So that just sits inside like that. You just kind of press these two things on the side here to kind of release the tension, and then that mic pops right in there like that. Now also with this microphone, you're going to have the clamp that allows you to put the scissor boom inside of this, and you can have this on the side of your desk. Go ahead and rip that open. So this is the clamp that comes on the inside. Now, this is also a USB microphone. So you're going to be able to plug this end into the mic itself on the bottom, which is USB. You can just plug it right there in the bottom. And then this end goes into your computer or your laptop. Now, and it comes with this cord. So you've got everything in here to get ready and get set up. Now this is the scissor boom or the arm that it comes with as well on the inside of the box so that you're able to go ahead and put the microphone. You can attach the microphone to this end. I'll kind of briefly show you how that is. And I'm also going to show you how this will actually look in motion. So let me go ahead. I'm going to unplug this and take this microphone out so that I can go ahead and twist this on. So now you have that on the end. Voila. And you can tighten that. And then you can also tighten this portion here so that this doesn't flop up and down. I'm going to wait to put the microphone in. And then on the other end of this boom, this is where you're going to pop this into here like so that you can turn that around. Now this clamp, this goes on the edge of your desk. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the edge of my desk and hook all of this stuff up. Okay, now we have this all set up and ready to go. The Q9 bundle from Tonor here. We've got the microphone. You see the windscreen, the black thing on top here. You see the pop filter that's in front of the microphone. I'm speaking into the correct side of the microphone where the plus and minus volume knobs are, like I explained before. You never want to be speaking in it from the back or from the side. You want to be speaking directly into the mic from the front of the microphone. Okay, I'm going to tighten this windscreen down. Well, not the windscreen, the pop filter. I'm going to tighten that down a little bit on the arm here so that we don't get that motion going. So this looks, all of this looks good. It's attached, everything is attached to the boom scissor arm, and the scissor arm is attached to my desk with the clamp that I showed you earlier before. You're hearing the quality of this microphone, which is going to be great for voiceover for content creation, for your Zoom meetings, all those different types of things that we're all doing online right now. This is going to be a great value for you and is going to level up the different things that you're doing. So go ahead and grab this. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.